welcoming you, beautiful hearts, to bit of my morning prayer, embracing the inner golden sun. Good morning, my golden heart. Good morning, my golden heart. Good morning, my golden sacred heart. Good morning, my golden sun heart. Good morning to your glorious presence that shines so bold and radiant. Good morning to your dazzling rays that is uplifting me to your heaven. Good morning, beautiful golden sun. Good morning, beautiful grandfather sun. Shine, 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 shine upon my essence, shine through my presence, helping me live to glory, helping me live to your center, helping me rise to your essence from the great central sun. As I stand here, I claim my being in your destiny as a golden ray of light. I'm a golden sunlight. I'm a golden sunlight. I'm a golden sunlight. I radiate the rays of love through my crystalline diamond. In your liquid light, I rejoice myself in the heavens. Thank you, source light of illumination, for your luminous presence, lifting all my vibration, all to your essence. I feel this golden sun in me. Let this presence consume me. Consume my neurotransmitters. Consume my cells and atoms. Consume the electrons and the beautiful nucleus of my being, taking the protons and transform them in the golden liquid energy. I claim my organs unfilled with the sun. I claim my muscles are renounced in the sun. I claim my bones to be strengthened by the sun. I claim my skin glowing the dazzling rays of the sun. As I am the sun, I am the sun, I am the sun, I am the sun, I am the sun. I am the golden bright sun. Lakmiat kurat miaku, ilak milak shmiak muraku. Hulak mia shmiak hilat mi, lat mia kirat miat chi. Usmal mi lat shmiat ku, lat miat hilat miat ku. Ismail hilat muad hayam ta, lach miat li shmiat karam ha, lat muad kurut ham haya. Ilashmiya kiyam tu. Tama am the sun, I'm 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 the sun. I am the golden sun, I am the golden sun, I am the golden sun. I am light, I am light, I am light, I am light, I am light. I rejuvenate in this light, I rebalance in this light, I renounce in this light, I am healed in this light, I am transcended in this light, as I am this golden Kristos sunlight that can never be qualified by any opposing energy, as I am lifted, connected, completely transported in my truest divine essence. And so be it, and so be it, and so be it. Beloved, I am, beloved, I am, beloved, I am presence. Thank you so much for being with me and sharing this moment. I just start singing and just allow us to come, and nothing is practiced before. I just stand in the sun and let myself be just renounced in this magnificence and grace. So much love. It's so good. Have a wonderful, marvelous day, everyone. Thank you for watching.